Most traders fail at scalping, not because their entries are bad, but because they trade when the market has no real pressure behind it. Price moves a few pips, stalls, snaps back, and suddenly what looked like an easy scalp turns into a loss. On the 1-minute chart, this happens constantly. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but powerful 1-minute scalping strategy that focuses on extreme price movements and quick reversals. And if you understand the rules properly, it can give you a very high win rate.
Merry Christmas!
Let's start. This strategy is designed for fast execution, so we're working on the 1-minute time frame. And I'm on TradingView. Now, this setup uses 3 indicators, 1 ADX and 2 Keltner channels, and we're going to set them up very precisely. First, click on Indicators and search for ADX, the Average Directional Index, and add it to the chart. Once it's added, open the settings. You can do that from here. And set the ADX smoothing to 12, and the DI length also to 12. That's going to be it for this video. Then add a horizontal line on the ADX and set it exactly at level 30 because this level is going to be our confirmation filter. If you cannot set it exactly at 30, you can double-click on the line and that will open the settings. Here you can set the coordinates to 30 and that will set the line exactly at 30 level. If ADX is above 30, volatility is strong enough to trade. If it's below 30, we stay out. After that, add Keltner channels, and we need 2 of them. So again, open the Indicators tab and search for Keltner channels. Click on it 2 times to add it 2 times. Now open the settings of the first indicator. For the first Keltner channel, set the length to 50 and the multiplier to 3.75. That's it. Now open the settings of the second Keltner channel. For the second Keltner channel, again set the length to 50, but this time the multiplier should be 2.75. And after that, go to the Style tab and make all Keltner channel components white so the structure is clear on the chart. Now the setup is ready. This is a volatility-based scalping strategy, not a trend-following one, which means we are specifically targeting extreme price moves where the market stretches too far and then snaps back. Because of that, this strategy has higher risk compa-white to trend strategies, which is why risk management is absolutely critical here. The core idea is simple. We only pay attention when price reaches an extreme level beyond the wider Keltner channel, the outer one. When price touches or moves outside that wider Keltner channel, it tells us the market is stretched and a short-term reversal is possible. But we don't enter immediately. First, price must come back and close inside the inner Keltner channel, the white one. That closed candle inside the white channel is our first condition. The second condition is ADX. We check the ADX value at that moment. If ADX is below 30, we do nothing, even if the setup looks perfect. If ADX is above 30, that tells us volatility is strong enough, and now the reversal has a higher chance to follow through.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
For example, here price moves above the outer Keltner channel and then comes back inside the white channel, but ADX is below 30. So we skip the trade. Same thing happens again here, extreme move, pullback inside the white channel, but ADX is still weak, so no entry. Here, in this example, we can see again price goes beyond the outer Keltner channel, comes back, closes inside the white channel, and this time ADX is clearly above 30. That confirms the sell trade. So as the new candle opens, we can enter a sell position. This strategy works on any market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks, as long as the asset has good liquidity and tight spreads. That part is extremely important, because in scalping we're taking many trades and aiming for small price movements, And if the market has low volume, wide spreads, or price gaps, it can completely ruin your entries, stop losses, and profits. So always choose liquid markets. Moving forward, you'll see the same logic on the buy side. Let me show you how a typical setup would look like when you are taking live trades. So here we can see the price pushes aggressively below the lower band of the wider Keltner channel. So right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just observing. This tells me price has reached an extreme, but that alone is not enough. I wait. The next thing I want to see is price pulling back and closing inside the white Keltner channel. As the candles move forward, you can see price starts to slow down. Then finally, this candle closes fully inside the white channel. That's my first condition done. Now I immediately shift my focus to the ADX. At this moment, ADX is above the 30 level, which tells me this move has strength behind it, and it's not just random noise. That confirmation is critical. Without it, I would skip the trade. Since both conditions are now met, I wait for the next candle to open, and I enter a buy trade right here. My stop loss goes below the recent extreme low, just beyond the lower Keltner band, giving the trade enough breathing room. I set my take profit at 1.5 times my risk. As price continues to move forward, you can see the reaction is clean. Price pushes up smoothly, respects the channel, and within a short time, hits the take profit. This is exactly how a high-quality scalping buy looks. No guessing, no early entry, no chasing. Just patience and confirmation. Now let me show you a live sell example. Again, using replay so nothing is hidden. I let the chart move forward and you can see price expanding aggressively above the upper band of the wider Keltner channel. This immediately puts me on alert, but again, I do nothing yet. Extreme does not mean entry. I wait for price to come back. After a few candles, price starts pulling down, and eventually this candle closes back inside the white Keltner channel. That's my first signal that the extreme move may be exhausting. Now I check ADX, and you can clearly see ADX is above 30 at this point, confirming strong volatility. That's the green light. As the next candle opens, I enter a sell trade right here. My stop loss goes above the recent high, just above the upper Keltner band, keeping the risk controlled. The take profit is again set at 1.5 times the risk. This is what you want to see when scalping. Quick reaction, strong follow-through, and no hesitation from the market. Now, the most important part of this entire strategy is risk management. This is a high-frequency, volatility-based scalping approach, and because we are trading against extreme moves, losses are part of the game. If you don't control risk, you can wipe out your account very quickly. That's the full breakdown. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next strategy. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.